Welcome back to Elevate Your Life and Business. My name is Marie, and on this channel, I share my life experience when it comes to self improvement as well as when it comes to my entrepreneur journey. And I try to give you some tips and tricks on things that I've learned to try and help you better your life as well. And for today the topic is that you are not your past. Today, I want to give you the keys to the kingdom that were given to me that made a dramatic change in my life, and I'm hoping it'll make a dramatic change in yours. In the last video, we talked about how you are not your brain. So that's the first key to the kingdom. The second key is this one is that you are not your past. Let your past be just that. Let it be in the past. It doesn't belong in your present. Where you came from is not where you have to stay. You get to choose who you want to be. You get to choose the person that shows up in the world. Just because you started somewhere difficult does not mean you have to stay there. You can find the way out. And one of the ways that you do that is you let your past be in the past. One of the ways I came about finding out this whole thing was the Tony Robbins seminar of Unleash. I think it's called Unleash the Power Within. He was here in my city a year or two ago, and I went to it. That was a whole story. That was very interesting. But I went there, and he made a really important point, I think, and I want to share this point with you as well. Is that the person that you are, the person that's watching this right now, is a creation of your beliefs, thoughts, and experiences. And you can change those experiences. I think one of the most common sayings that I say on this channel is you can change it. You can change it. You can be a better person. You can show up and you can do more if you want to. But you got to want it. I think that's one of the things that drives me a little crazy when someone's like, oh, well, this person's going to change into the X, Y, and Z, the friend that I want, the lover that I want, the life partner that I want. This person is going to change. But I don't think they understand like change is so hard. You have to want it. Like you have to really, really, really want it. And when it comes to that Tony Robbins seminar, one of the things is it's like he was talking on the stage and he was talking about how I built this stud. You can, I built who I am from the ground up. I decided to take control of my life. I decided to take responsibility. And in doing so, I freed myself to create, mold, and sculpt my life, my body, my mind, my relationships, my businesses to who I want to be, who I want to be seen, who I want to be known for. I built this person. He says, you can too. You can build that stud. You can build that studette. You can build yourself from the ground up. It takes hard work. I will tell you that I am still working on it. I've only been really, really putting the pedal to the metal on changing myself for like the last year and a half, maybe two at the most. I mean, I've really just started to get into this, and I've had quite a few challenges along the way, just in regular life, without like trying to add this on top of it. But it doesn't matter where you come from. Like another thing too on this is that like don't don't assume that just because somebody comes from a wealthy family and a silver spoon that everything is sunshine and rainbows. Everyone has their challenges. Everyone has their quiet sorrows that in a dark night keep them up at night, tossing and turning, wondering how they're going to overcome this thing, how they're going to face this challenge. You are not alone. You're not alone. But make sure that you don't judge other people as well, because you just never know what they're going through. And that being said, people don't know the true you. The true you is the person that you want to be or can be. The true you is the soul that can change the world, that can change your life if you want to. So, on this video, in this minute, if this video landed in your lap, if you just happen to click on this thing, this is the message from the universe to you. and my message to you as well, is that you are not your past. You can quite literally build the person that you want to be. And one of the reasons why this was so life changing for me, is that, you know, growing up, I'm like, okay, well, these are the circumstances. Okay, I have two really hard parents. Like, okay, I'm not going to get any support. I'm completely on my own, even though like these parents want me to do X, Y, and Z. Like, I'm going to have to figure this out. I'm going to have to figure out life. I'm completely on my own. These are the circumstances. Like, I'm just going to barely make it. Like, I'm just going to, like, I am what I am based off my experiences, based off, my situation. This is where I came from and this is where I ended up. Like, this is it. Like, that's such a, just even saying that on camera though to you guys, like, that's such a depressing, that's such a small way of thinking. Like, I'm so happy that's not me anymore. I'm so happy that's not me anymore. And it doesn't have to be you either. You can build whenever you decide to. You can build who you want to be. And I am going to recommend that you go back to the very, very first video on this channel about the 5 pillars of life and leaving 2025 and coming back as a whole new person. Because in there, I go over the 5 pillars, which is your health, your finances, your friends and family, your intimate relationship, and your career. I would go and watch that video because it literally tells you like how to piece everything together. But those are the core pillars and what makes you you. And each pillar can be looked at and each pillar can be changed. And I will tell you, I don't have all the pillars figured out yet. I try to be honest on this video. Like, I'm not your guru. I'm not a mentor. I'm just someone sharing her life and what she's going through right now as she's trying to climb up through the ladder that is life, and the ladder of social success as well. Um, really tired of the barely making it, despite the long, grueling hours that I've put in and having little to nothing to show for it. But in order to do all that, I needed to change my mentality. I needed to change my body and getting healthy. I needed to go looking for all this information. And because I did that, I'm here sharing it with you, hoping that, if I can even help just one person, if each video just helps one person have a better day or figure out something or just realize that that's I guess that's what I wanted to share the most on this video. There's another way. There's a better way of doing things. And I will also tell you that it can get addictive. This building the person that you want to be, making the changes that you want to see in your life. When you start putting 1 plus 1 together, it actually doesn't equal 2. It actually equals 4 or 5. Marie, like, did you take basic math? Like, how does that make sense? Well, it makes sense because if you already lay the foundation, so if you already do 1 plus 1 equals 2, and let's just say it's on your health, well, 1 plus 1 equals 3 when you go to like maybe work on your career or your finances or your friends and family, because you've already laid the pattern. You've already figured out how to figure things out. That's one of the biggest things I like to convey on this channel. If you hear nothing else from me, if you hear absolutely nothing else from however many videos, for however long this goes on for, whether it's a decade or 2 decades down the line, the one thing that I'd like you to know is that you need to learn how to learn, especially in this modern day age where all these new, like, there's people that are buying all these tech companies, and there's all these ways to do info products and do all this knowledge, whether it's books or YouTubes or podcasts, or, I mean, information is available everywhere. The thing that you need to find the most is finding the right information. Because everyone can have everyone can have an opinion. Not everyone gets a say. The only person who gets a say is the person that's been there, done it, and has factual proof that they can show you a relevant way to do it. Because what someone did 10 years ago, like, for instance, like, I'm trying to do an agency. Well, yes, I'm following in the footsteps of Iman to a point, but that was a decade ago. Things have changed. Like, there's no question things have changed. Like, that's why I'm probably struggling with it right now. So I just wanted to give this quick little video because it's an important video, but I want to keep it short and sweet and to the point so you can have something to think about here. And that is that you are not your past. Do not let your past dictate your future. It's your future. You get to decide what you want to do with it. And that was liberating for me. That was an aha moment for me, because before that thought, before I went down that rabbit hole of thinking, like, I didn't think it was. I was like, okay, well, this is life. These are the cards that I was dealt, and like, this is what it's going to be, right? And I got to tell you, it was more than a little depressing for me back then. Now, I always have had like a lot of drive. I've always had a lot of vision, and I always thought like I could be more, I could do more. But I never in my wildest dreams would think about being an entrepreneur or the journey that I'm now on. Like, I would have never thought of that. By freeing myself, by freeing my mind, by letting go of my past of like, okay, my parents are like, you are going to be X, Y, and Z. Because isn't that part of it too? When you're facing your past, isn't it also the expectations and social norms and all the chains that link you up to being, okay, well, you can only be this, you can only be a doctor. You came from a family of doctors, you can only be a doctor. Or you can only do this, or you can only be that. Those days are gone. Let them go. Let them go. They have no business being in your future. You get to decide who you are. And that's brick by brick and piece by piece. Rome was not built in a day. It takes time, it takes patience. So this is not something where you can snap your fingers and get automatic difference. But one of the key things, and the whole point of this video, is that the biggest key is just realizing that you are not constricted. You do not have to be constricted and molded by your past. You can let those experiences grow, so that you can use those experiences that you have been through, and the things that you've been through, and the things that you've seen, and the life lessons that you have learned. You can use those to move on. You can use that as rocket fuel to become the person that you want to be, because you've already gained that wisdom. Why throw it away? Hang on to that wisdom, but do not let your past control you. You are not your past. Don't let it control your future. Don't even let it control your present. Let the past be in the past. Let the lessons learned remain learned, but focus on your future. Focus on who you want to be, and realize that where you came from is not where you have to end up. And I'm going to end this video with a couple examples. One being Mr. Tony Robbins himself. He came from nothing and grows himself up to be, I think he's like a billionaire now. Iman Ghazi, someone that I look up to in the business world, at least when it comes to the agency stuff and whatnot. Came from nothing, built himself up. Alex Hermosi came from a middle class family, hated his life, turned everything around, and now is in the multimillionaires with Layla. Layla also is right there with him and self-made. Like, the list goes on and on and on. And I wanted to point out one thing, especially if you're on an entrepreneurial journey. There has never been a better time, ever, 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 to get into the online business, to use technology to grow and ride the wave of change that is coming. So be prepared for that change. Be prepared for opportunities that are coming by being who you want to be, not what other people tell you to be. If you could please do me a favor and like on that like button and subscribe. Excuse me. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video, and I hope this video gives you some inspiration and some motivation, and just one more tool in the toolbox, one more key to the future to get where you're wanting to go. And I wish you guys well. And remember, it's time to level up to the next level in your life. Talk to you later.